How to solve this phone number cannot be used by iMessage and FaceTime problem on iPhone. So if you want to solve this phone number cannot be used by iMessage and FaceTime problem on iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to tap on your name, which will be on the top. And here you need to go with sign in and security. Tap on it. After that, tap on the number that you have selected for your iMessage and FaceTime. And select remove from account, which will be on the bottom. After that, go with add email or phone number and then add a phone number. After that, you will need to just enter the verification code, follow the rest of prompts, and re-add your number. Check your issue, but if re-adding the number did not fix your problem, then you can follow the next solution, which is you need to sign out and then sign in back with your Apple ID. So go with your Apple ID, go with sign out, which will be in the bottom, and after signing out, again go and log in or sign into your account, and it might fix your problem. Or you can just simply go with your passwords and change your password. After changing your password, your problem might be fixed. Or you can go back, scroll down, go with general, and go with iPhone storage. Under iPhone storage, you need to scroll down and then select Face ID, tap on Show All, and then scroll down again. Once you find the FaceTime, you need to tap on Offload Application, and after offloading, again reinstall it, and your problem might be fixed. But even after reinstalling, if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back, and under General, you need to scroll down and go with Transfer, Reset iPhone, and tap on Reset. And now reset all of your settings, and after resetting, the problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.